take me on a ride. This feeling can't retain us, rest my soul tonight. These liars with the paychecks, they can't feel the sound.
I think that's the lake. I haven't seen the volcano yet though. We'll keep our eyes pierced at every turn. We just got off our second jeepney and apparently there's another one to take. The weather cleared up nicely. Sun came out, it's beautiful, and now it is raining again. And we still have to take another jeepney to a viewpoint that we probably can't even see. So anyway, it is what it is. We're gonna wait for the rain to stop. Maybe get a bite to eat. Maybe watch some lady boys getting their hair done. I don't know. What do you think? So much to do. So many possibilities. I don't even know where to begin. But anyway, stay with us. I'm sure it's going to be good, whatever. And let's just hope for this rain to clear up big time, because it's no fun trying to see something really cool and you can't see it, and you travel 4 hours to see it, another 4 hours to get back. So anyway,
no, it's just 2 when we go back.
Oh, 4 hours here, 2 hours,
because we went around.
Oh, went around. Okay,
this one is more direct.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. All right, let's see what happens. Cheers. Okay, so we're at McDonald's now, and Belle gotten a, what is this, a shine like the sun meal, and Augustino with rice, whatever that is. Okay, just open it up, let's see what's in there. Ooh, we got rice, sausage, and egg. Looks so yummy.
Yours is different too.
Okay. We're going on a what? Hope we don't die here. We're going on a tricycle ride again for half an hour. Stay. Come with us. Check it out. Alright, we made it down in one piece from the top of the mountain where it was pouring rain to the bottom, and we can actually see the volcano now, which before there was no way we'd possibly be able to see it. It's called Taal Volcano, T-A-A-L, and this is it here.
Bagal magmaneho. Pare, ang bagal magmaneho.
Pretty cool.
Hold on, I'm waiting for the boat to get into the scene. Should be good, should be good.
Pare, paltan. Paltan mo ko.
What are we doing?
Explain to you how to tour horseback.
Oh, so they try to sell us now.
Tagaytay tourism.
Now they try to sell us. All right. Let's hear the sales pitch. For
You
the
want
boat.
Okay.
From here, sir. Actually, this is the boat station and restaurant.
Okay.
From here, you want to see the volcano and ride a boat. Ride a boat. And then when you get to the island, you ride a boat. Going to Manila.
So main crater.
It's still active.
Hot springs.
Ay, una, yung ano.
Hey, 4,500.
For the 500, including the tour guide, you can see the island, boat transfer, going there, going back.
And life jacket.
But here, ma'am, we have option, both everything with the lunch.
Oh, we don't do. Well, we just ate lunch. Could we just do the boat? Is there such a thing? Walang package? Single lang? Boat lang?
Pwede naman po, kung boat card lang, bakay lang, malilis lang po natin.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking. What if it's just a boat ride?
Making a sound like a boat.
I don't know. That's what I'm asking.
Okay.
Malilis lang nyo, ma'am, yung entrance fee, saka yung guide nyo, hindi na kayo bawal. So you can ride a boat in the island, take a picture,
boat and
the
crater?
Taal like that.
So where does the crater come in? How do you get so the boat takes us to the
Actually, you
volcano?
get there in the island, you ride a boat, going to Manila.
So it's a different cost? How much will that be? So you only go to the crater via a horse. It goes up the volcano. Could you walk all the way up the volcano?
Actually, if you want to walk, it's up to you, because 6.6 kilometers from the lake to the top. Maybe 1.5 hours to walk. 1.5 hours. But by horse, 35 minutes to go. And actually, one horse with one guide. You have driver.
So 700.
Just the boat.
No, the less for this.
No. I mean for the boat to get there, right? The boat.
It's just the boat. Without not the package, just one off the boat.
Kung boat lang naman, yun lang. Mapabasa naman.
This is too much. I
Yeah,
just want to do
you
like
discount,
simple.
you discount 700. Discount.
Discount off of this.
So 4,500 minus 700?
Total 3,000.
The other guy was saying 2,000 before. Per person?
Not sure. Ito yung pinaka-main plate. Dali! Ay! At ang lapay sasakay na.
Well, I think I'm okay just looking at the volcano from here. I'm sure it's really cool over there and
Are
an entire day, but
Oh. Yeah.
yes. Yes, that's my umbrella. Yes. Hello. Hi. That's my umbrella. Thank you.
Oh, dalawa pa na kayo na rin.
Bought that too, like 20 minutes ago.
Waiting mo, waiting.
All right. Well, we're gonna think about this.
Are, kinukuha lang.
What do you think?
So the book says if you actually take the boat, so
You actually get ripped off.
it's well, he says it's 1,800 for the whole boat. So you do arrange it in one of these places where, you know, these huts, and then they give you like package tours.
Okay. Well, we know that. All right.
Dalawang grupo.
Okay. Okay, so we've decided that we are going over on this boat right here. So that volcano over there, the volcano on a lake, and in the volcano there's another lake. So we are going to attempt to climb up, hike up that volcano ourselves without the horses for two reasons. The horses are 500 pesos each, which is probably what, 13 bucks? No. 500, 12 bucks, whatever. We're gonna save ourselves about 30 bucks maybe there. And I hate horses. I hate riding on horses on like because your butt kills you, right? So we're gonna save our asses. We're gonna save some money. We're gonna try to hike up, get some exercise. There's a win there. There's a win on the cash situation. There's a win with the scrawny little horses. We're not gonna hurt the horses' back. And we're gonna have a heck of a good time. So I'm looking forward to this. This is gonna be awesome. I've had like 3.5 hours of sleep. I don't give a crap about that. It's fine. I will sleep later. We've come all the way out here. We've gone up and down that mountain twice. Anyway, we're gonna get there. We're gonna go. We're going. It's gonna be fun. And I hope you're gonna stay with me. Climb that. What is it called? Taal Volcano?
Yes, Taal.
Taal Volcano. Taal Volcano, sorry. All right.